This is a Jimster586 random catage video. How to blow cats' minds. You just have to draw their attention to it. We have a new to us glass top table. Here's Oreo going for the mouse.
Oh, get it.
How to blow their minds. You put the mouse on top of the glass and let them go underneath and
don't get up on that table, Oreo.
Stare at it. See, Ellie's under the table looking at it like, I see it, but how do I get it? I don't understand this glass concept. A little kitty psychology here.
Oreos.
Just trying to get it from underneath. Like, I see it, but how do I get it? Use that little kitty psychology. She's batting at the glass underneath, trying to get the mouse. Wow. How to blow your cat's mind. Poof. George F551 had another idea. He said you take two lasers, run them together across a room, and then break them off into opposite directions and watch what the cats do. I told him I'd have to try that.
There, Allie's trying.
Yeah, Allie's trying to get it. It's like, we can't get this mouse. We can see it, but we can't get it. Ellie's like, I forget this. Oreo sees it. She's like, how do I get it? I'm trying to paw through the glass. I don't get this glass concept. I'm confused. Meow. One Oreo. One alley cat. And one Lily who's paying no attention. Well, she's watching from a safe distance, but has no interest in getting the item in question. Nope, now the blue one's up there. Oreo's going, error, malfunction, blue screen. Kernel panic, whatever OS error message you prefer. Oreo's like, I don't know what to do here. I don't know what's going on. There's all these toys, but oh, I got that one. Yeah, I got that one. Meow. Flash bang, Oreo. Flash bang.
Are you getting good views or not?
Yeah. Maybe if I reach my paw up there and try and grab it. I got it. Darn it. It's just I don't get the concept with this glass thing. One Oreo, an alley cat, and one watchful Lily.
Okay, kids.
So that's about all I've got for you. Just a little random catage and a little kitty psychology. So thanks for watching, and that's gonna be it.